fancy glasses you have there.
They're not mine. But I left mine back at the cabin, and we're out on the road, and it's sunny and it hurts.
We're going to feed the bears. We can finally do that today, and we're excited about it. We met some new friends that are going to let us put some baits out on their property. Wonderful people.
Incredible.
Yep. Yeah, we're pretty excited. So.
You know, sometimes you just haphazardly and randomly pull into a driveway and leave with new friends.
Yeah, we weren't really sure how it was going to go. We just literally pulled into a driveway of somebody we do not know, told them who we are and what we were up to, and
we got a tour of 1,000 acres, and
yes, we did.
Just more good spots spread out through the neighborhood here than we really need.
Yeah,
which is awesome.
And we made new friends, so that is probably even the coolest part about it.
Seatbelt.
Whoops. Safety first. All right. Well, all right. We'll keep you posted on this bait process. Got my bag of bait.
Oh, you smell terrific, ma'am.
Oh, it does smell amazing. Got JJ's bear juice and this big bag of donuts and a barrel. We're gonna hike back in the woods and set up this bait. Here we go. So it's like 70 pounds of donuts on the back. We found our spot. So we take these barrels and we chain them to a tree so that they can't take off with it. There's our bag of bear food. There's our bag of bear scents.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We've got very simple, just molasses.
Mm-hmm.
Right. We've got this, I believe, is Moultrie bacon. So it just smells like bacon.
It smells like bacon.
Like a bear knows what bacon smells like.
But everybody knows that bacon smells good.
This is the special ingredient. It's JJ's bear juice.
Right. Let's fill it up.
Let's do it.
All right, so in these bags, some yummy stuff.
Oh my.
Bread. No. But there's cupcakes. Yes. So just take all of this and dump it in this barrel. Oh, there's a cookie. Cookie? Alright, there's one bag. This one looks like it has a lot of frosting in it. Oh yeah. Some red, white, and blue. Who would even eat that? No questions. Obviously nobody. That's how we ended up with it. One more bag of goodies here. What do we got? This one. Some yellow frosting.
thorns on it.
Ah.
We also like to put stuff like on the ground, so when one bear steps in it and leaves here, they literally leave a trail to wherever they go. Bear heaven, the bear hotel.
I don't know where they go either.
If they go to the bear hotel, the other bears at bear hotel smell their feet, and then they follow the trail back to Bear Haven.
Spraying to get the scent up in the air. Spray it high in the trees on the leaves so that the wind can carry that smell to, I guess we're calling it the Bear Hotel. Sure is windy today. Love the woods here. We found site number 2. Yeah, I feel pretty good about this one.
Very excited, very happy, very berry.
It is very berry, and they told us, our new friends told us that they've seen a large bear back in this corner.
400 pounds.
They think around 400 pounds. Hey, anyways, we found some pretty good sign of bear trails. They're definitely not deer trails. So,
Although bear are very quiet when they walk through the timber, they also, they're big pads. They crush the ferns and they crush the vegetation, and you can see where a bear walks versus you can't really see where a deer walks.
right.
Even though you can hear a deer better than a bear.
Which is so weird, right? Because bears are so big, but you can't hear them in the woods. They're kind of like ghosts.
This is a beautiful spot. I'd build a house here and just stay.
Yeah. It is really gorgeous. All right, so we're working on filling up another barrel here with goodies and smells and goodies. So we dump all this goodness into the barrel, and then we stand the barrel up, and then the bear comes in and he digs it out with his paw, eats. Oh my.
Oh,
Did this bear just eat? What is that?
it's grape donut hole.
Ew. Did that taste good?
I don't like grape.
Just out here eating expired donuts. Do donuts really go bad though? Let's be serious here. Came out that big. Ooh, yummy. All right, now we gotta do some sprays and some scents. Oh boy. Oh goodness. Try this at home, folks. Just kidding. Actually, do try it because bear baiting is really fun. Seriously, it's so beautiful out here. Okay, so we're on the four-wheeler and we're just gonna take off from the Shabin to go feed our bears.
Well, they're hungry this morning. One of them sent me a text.
Yeah, I saw that.
Did you?
Yeah,
Just needs the bare necessities.
yeah. He needs food. Bring us donuts and nuts, please.
We've got a lot of food on this four-wheeler.
We do.
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we're up to.
We'll catch up to you in a minute. We got about a 7-mile four-wheeler ride, and then we'll check back in.
Yeah. Toodaloo.
Bye.
So we just got to our first bait, which we're calling the party house. And it has not been hit, but we are gonna load it up today. And we're actually heading back to Nebraska tomorrow. And then we'll be back up here in a week and a half. So hopefully by then, the bears will have found it. It's nice that we can bring a four-wheeler right to the bait. What a lovely day to feed the bears. I said, what a lovely day to feed the bears.
Yeah.
It's beautiful out.
This is my raccoon deterrent.
Yes.
Otherwise, raccoons will get in there.
So now we're at the pine bait. This one also hasn't been hit. We put it out 2 days ago. So it takes them a while to find it. Hopefully in a week and a half when we're back, they'll all be hit.
Ooh. We only need one, maybe two.
Yeah. But if they're hungry, they might as well come eat.
Yeah, you know, really, the license for us is just you have to have a license so you can bait them. Like, I don't really care if I even get one. I just love getting out, getting in the woods, baiting bear, getting
Smelling
pictures.
the smells.
It's just,
The smells of bear baiting
I don't
are
even know,
incredible.
I think getting a bear is kind of anticlimactic. Yeah. I think the fun part is just being out here in the woods, and you know, it's like fishing. You throw the line out and you wait for a bite, right?
Right. Yeah, what you can't see in this video is how amazing it smells out here. This stuff.
I'll be right back. I gotta get my nameplate.
Okay. The donuts inside the barrel. Like, if it smells that amazing to us as humans, I can't imagine what a bear thinks. Because their nose is like, what did I read? It was like 300 times better than a bloodhound's nose. That's some pretty serious smelling. Got some trail mix, some nuts and raisins, and there's some Pop-Tarts in there. An M&M. What else? Oh, some Lucky Charm marshmallows. Except for they're mushy. I tried to eat one yesterday. I was very disappointed. They're not crunchy. All right, all we need now is a bear. Okay, so now we're at the bait that we call the kettle corn bait. And this one we have set up a little different. We just use a bunch of logs to pile on top of the bait, and then the bear has to take and roll the logs out of the way. And we just put this one out yesterday, and it appears as though a bear rolled this log off of here and found it already. I don't think a raccoon would roll a log that size off there. And it's, yeah, they're pretty heavy, so that's exciting. Yummy. Okay, so we've got her baited back up, dumped our trail mix on top and around it, put our logs back, spraying some scent in the air, and I went ahead and put a camera up this one so we can see what's coming in. Feels pretty berry back here. Okay, that's it. That's all. Please subscribe. Please like this video if you liked it. And leave your comments below. Thanks. Have a great day.